Hi Aunt Claire's class. This is another step-by-step video. We are going to draw a beach because summer is coming up, okay? So these are the colors that I need you to get. I need you to have a yellow, a black, a green, a brown, and a blue. And then I want you to choose two more colors. I chose purple and red. Okay, so what I want you to do first is get your yellow crayon. Your yellow crayon. You can see that I've already started to draw my line right here. What I want you to do is to draw a semicircle. So look like you're drawing a circle and then stop about halfway through and draw a line across the bottom. Just like that. Okay, we're not going to color it in just yet, okay? Now I want you to look at your two colors that you chose, and I want you to choose which one you're going to work with first. I'm going to choose red to work with first. So what I want you to do is right about here, I want you to draw a rectangle. Remember that a rectangle has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. You see my 2 long lines and my 2 short lines? Okay. Then what we're going to do is we are going to draw a line on one side and a line on the other so that we have 3 rectangles that make up our big rectangle. I want you to leave the middle one white, but color in the other 2 rectangles. As always, you can pause the video if you need more time. Let me go to my other one. I'm going to fix my line a little bit. I'm coloring that in. That is going to be our beach towel. The next color I need you to get is black. Black. Now what I need you to do with that black crayon is somewhere next to your towel, I need you to put your black crayon, and I'm not making them touch. I'm just going to go up like that. And stop. And then we're going to draw another semicircle, but this time we're going to start with the flat line, okay? So we're going to do it, we're going to make it look like a T. Can you make it look like a T like that? Like uppercase T? If you need more time, pause the video. Then I want you to do the round part, like that. And then we're going to draw a curved line here. And another curved line here. And then we are going to draw one little bit of a line sticking right out of the top of the middle. Now I want you to get that second color you chose. So I chose red and purple, but the first one that I worked with was red, so now I'm going to use my purple. And I'm going to color in my umbrella. Get all those white spots as best you can, okay? Alright, pause the video if you need more time making your umbrella or coloring it in. I'm just going to add a little bit more in that white spot right there. There we go. Okay. Now what we need is a brown crayon. You know what? Nope, not brown yet. We're gonna finish our sand down here, okay? So what I want you to do is make lines around your towel like that, and then some lines around your black line, and that'll stop you from coloring over those things and bringing black or red into your sand. So go ahead and color your sand. And if you can't keep up with me, that's fine. You know, you can always pause your video. Just take your time and do your best. There we go. And then we have our sand. Okay, now we're going to get our brown, like we said before, and we are going to draw a rectangle right here, but it's going to be long and skinny. So watch what I do. I'm going to start on the beach, and I'm going to go up, 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 like that, and then I'm going to put another little dot right there, like that. And we're going to go up, 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 like that. That is a trunk of a palm tree. So what we're going to do is we are going to take our crayon and we are going to make a bunch of X's. Kind of make it look like an ice cream cone, huh? You know how ice cream cones have lines across them? And it's okay if you go out of the lines a little bit with this, because palm trees actually look a little bit furry on the sides sometimes. They've got these leaf-like things that kind of stick out. Then I want you to put your crayon like this, long like that, and just shade on its side, like that. Pause the video if you need more time, okay? Now we are going to take a green crayon, green right here, and we are going to make the palms of the palm tree, okay, the fronds. So let's go ahead and start like this, and you just draw little curves like that. What shape does that look like? Does it look like one of the shapes we know? Looks like a crescent, doesn't it? So now that we have those crescents, like that. Now that we have those crescents, go ahead and color them in. Take your time, do your best, stay in the lines as best you can. Pause the video if you need more time and try to get all of those white spots, okay? There we go. We've got our tree. Now we're going to get a blue crayon and we are going to shade around our little island. Go a little bit behind your island. Go around your tree. There we go. And just like on our tree in the last video, we drew some squiggly lines to give the bark of the tree some texture. We're going to do some swoops, okay? Just like that. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Pause your video if you need more time. Okay, now the last thing we are going to do is we're going to get our black crayon again, and we're going to write the word beach. So now that you're all caught up with me, let's start at the top. Draw a line down. Go back up to the middle and make a curve. B, 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 beach. Then we're going to make an E. Start right here, go out, up, over, and around. Out, up, over, and around. A. Next letter is A, so you make a circle and then a line. A circle and then a line. The next letter is C. And then our last letter is H. So you start at the top, you make a long line down. A long line down, and then you go back up about halfway and make a hill. Good job, you guys. B-E-A-C-H spells beach. Awesome. You can finish by coloring the sky a lighter blue, or you can use purples and yellows and oranges and reds to make it look like sunset. You can add a sun if you like. Go ahead and send me a picture of what you've done, and thanks for joining me for this video. I love you guys.